Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a great poet and former Prime Minister of India who touched the heart of millions of people, is not in this world. Due to his bad health, he was admitted in AIIMS on 11th June 2018, but he could not be recovered and he left the world. He was such a great personality that his opponents also respected him. He made a different image of him in the world with full determination and hard work. With his words, he shared his thoughts to the whole world, which made him a great politician. So let's know about the success story of this great person in this special video. This story begins from 25th December 1924 when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was born in Gwalior city in Madhya Pradesh. His father was a teacher and poetry lover. Atal inherited poetry talent from his father and later became a great poet. He went to a school called Saraswati Shishu Mandir. He did his graduation from Maharani Lakshmibai College. Later he completed his post-graduation in Master of Arts from DAV College in Kanpur. From his early age, he had interest in politics. He joined RSS at the age of 15. In 1942, he was arrested during Quit India movement for his role in the movement. His political career started in 1944 when he was appointed as the General Secretary in Arya Samaj. He became full-time promoter of RSS in 1947 and his post was getting better fastly. In 1947, for the first time in his career, he stood in elections as the representative of Bharatiya Jana Sangh Party and won from Balrampur. His speaking skills impressed Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the Prime Minister of India at that time. Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru stated, "One day this man will become the Prime Minister of India." Due to the death of leader of Bharatiya Jana Sangh Party, Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the leader of the party and completed his responsibilities with full determination. He was arrested with several politicians from 1975 to 1977 due to some emergency. In 1977, Janata Party won the elections and Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the External Affairs Minister of India. He became the first external minister to give speech in United Nations General Assembly in Hindi language. In year 1980, he formed Bharatiya Janata Party with his friend Lal Krishna Advani and Bairon Singh Shekhawat. His party could not do much in 1984 elections, but he kept working hard and in 1996, Bharatiya Janata Party became the biggest party and won the parliamentary elections. Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the Prime Minister of India, but being an alliance party, he resigned and became the Prime Minister of India for just 13 days. In 1998, Bharatiya Janata Party with NDA won elections and Atal Bihari Vajpayee again became the Prime Minister. But this also rested for just 13 months. Again elections were held and finally on 13th October 1999, Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the Prime Minister of India for the third time, and this time he completed full term and improved the economy of the country. In 2004, at the age of 80, he left politics due to age. For his tremendous work for the country, he was awarded with the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in the year 2015. His patriotism and thoughts towards the country can be understood by many books. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is a great example of brilliance and humanity.